so for adjusting the elastics on this, on your mask, that's the one thing that's really super nice about casings. You've got lots of options. I just do this overhand, a single overhand knot. Okay, and then you have your length. If this length doesn't suit you, then you can just make another knot at I'm not going to tie this one tight because I want to give this to the person it belongs to. You can tie another overhand knot tighter, and then you can either leave it or just cut it off if it's a more suitable length. And then once you've got your length, once you've got your length that you like, then you can just slide. Oops. This is a little bit more stubborn than my average one. There we go. I was gonna say you can slide your knot right into the casing. Okay. And then it doesn't show. Okay, it can be like right in the middle of the casing or whatever. If it does slide back out, you can just slide it in. If for some reason that bothers you, you could do like a quick tack stitch on that. I've left it open because that way you can adjust it really easily. Okay, so let me just show you that again. Overhand knot, stick through the ends, leave a little bit of a tail. Okay, and then you can pull it through. Okay, there you go. And you've got it all ready. Okay, so just remember those steps to adjust your mask, and then you can have the fit that you want for the ear loops. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is the wash method that we use. Okay, so a lot of people have had questions on how to wash your mask. So these are all your fabrics that are in your mask have been pre-washed on very, very hot water, with detergent, of course. And so you're not gonna have any problems with shrinkage or anything. They should go in the wash just fine. The nose wires is something a lot of people have had concerns about. So for your nose wire, however you have it, affixed to your nose, just gently fold it in half. Gently fold the nose wire in half. You're gonna have a little bit of a round area right here. You wanna keep it rounded, but kind of flatten out the area that would be on your cheeks. And then just clothespin it shut. Okay. You can just throw it in the wash like this, or you can put it in a mesh bag. I have a lot of the mesh bags available. So I've washed it both ways. I've washed it just straight in the washer like this, or in a mesh bag just to protect it a little bit more. And that will make it so the nose wire doesn't bend or anything like that. With the high quality non-corrosive nose wires that we have that are in here, they shouldn't have any problem getting too banged up or anything like that. If for some reason that they did get broken or ruined or something, you can just unpick a couple stitches, like even just like 2 or 3, push the nose wire out through that and then restitch it. Also important to note is when you do wash these, use your detergent. I wouldn't use anything scented or anything like that. In addition, or else, because it's right up against your face and you don't want anything toxic. I would use no softener though. So that's the trick. So, whatever detergent you use, stain removers, whatever, that's fine. Just wash in your hot wash. Wash in your hot wash with your normal detergent and stain removers and no softener. So I think that's the biggest difference, is don't use softener on this. Some of the filter fabrics, so softener isn't the best thing to have up against your face, especially if you're using like dryer sheets or whatever. So no dryer sheets, no softener. And the filter fabrics, like, they can get a little gummed up if they have softener, but they will work fine, in the wash, hot wash. Bleach shouldn't be too much of an issue unless you're worried about fading of the prints. Other ways that you can wash would just be like a hand wash. You can put it in a bin and wash with your soap and water. You know, that's a good way to do it. You don't need softener. And then just like, you know, hang. This is another thing this is useful for. Hang to dry, okay? Just clip it on, you know, like a little wire or whatever. Hang it to dry. I was gonna say, so you can drip dry these. That's one way to do it. I would recommend either doing the hand wash or the, you know, machine wash. Machine wash is gonna probably give you the best result because of the hottest water. All right, I hope that helps and helps you take care of your masks, and hopefully it will last a long time. I've made these to be quality and to last. Thank you. Bye-bye.